So you're broke right now and you want to find a way to make some money online. So you go on YouTube and type in how to make money online. And then you see all of these gurus with their Lamborghinis, their mansion, etc. pitching you to buy their $1,000 course. Well, what if I told you that I was going to show you how to go from $0 to $1,000 online for free? Would you be interested? If so, watch this whole video. What it do, hustlers? It's your boy Jarrell here, coming at you with another video today. Hope you guys are looking good, feeling good, smelling good, cause I know I am. And today I got a very special treat for y'all. I'm gonna be doing a challenge going from $0 to $1,000 online. Now this may be like a 3-part series, cause I know I can't get this all done in one video. Now first things first, I want to lay out some rules for this challenge, because I really want to put myself in your shoes right now, cause I know a lot of you guys are just starting off with trying to make some money online and you have no money to start. And I did a couple years ago as well. Like when I was 17 years old, that's when I first got started with entrepreneurship, and it took me a whole year to make my first sale.
Why are you crying?
So I know how it feels, man. The good news for you is that if you watch this whole video, you could make your first sale this week if you actually take action.
You naughty. You teasing me, you naughty.
So rule number 1 is that I can't use my existing audience, because as you guys know, I got a whole Instagram account. I got multiple Instagram accounts. I got multiple YouTube channels, so I can't use my existing audience for this video. And the second rule is that I can't use my friends at all for this video. So I'm really gonna be starting from 0. No friends, no audience, and no money. So this is gonna be a tough one, but I want you guys to sit back, relax, get some snacks. Also hit that like button, because this is gonna be good. So after doing some deep thinking on how I should get started with this challenge, I decided to go back to my roots and how I got started with making money online in the first place, which is affiliate marketing. Now for those that don't know what affiliate marketing is, let me explain it to you real quick. So this is Day Day. Day Day wants to make some money online, but he doesn't have his own products and services, nor does he want to create one right now. So he goes on the website like Amazon.com, he scrolls to the bottom and he sees that they have an affiliate program. And when he reads the affiliate program details, he sees that he will be paid from 1 to 10% for each product he sells. Now Day Day is also a photographer, and everybody always asks him what is the best camera to use. So he starts sending out his Amazon link to a camera that he actually uses, and when people buy that camera through Day Day's link, he makes money. So affiliate marketing is basically where you're selling other people's products and services and getting a commission for it. So now that you have a good idea what affiliate marketing is, I'm about to hop into my computer right now and we're gonna start getting this money. Alright, so I'm on my computer right now, and as you can see, I'm on a website called clickbank.com. Now this is where it all started at, man. This is where I made my first sale online at. Now as you can see, I'm in one of my old accounts and it got 0 sales. So any sales that come through this account will be from this challenge. I haven't touched this account in months, man. It's been a long time. But basically this site is just a marketplace where you can find affiliate products at. So I'm about to head over to the marketplace and we're gonna find a product that we're gonna sell. So as you can see, they got a bunch of different categories, but I'm about to come down to spirituality, and then I'm gonna sort it by gravity. Now gravity sorts it by the best selling products, and as you can see, the numerology readings is number 1 with an average sell of $17. They got manifestation magic for $35, and then 15-minute manifestation for $46 on average sale. Gravity on it is $76. So I think I'm gonna start off this challenge by selling 15-minute manifestation, and I'm gonna have to apply for the numerology readings as well. But I already have a funnel for both of these products because I sold these products in the past, because like I said, I've been doing ClickBank for years. Here's the funnel for 15-minute manifestation right here. So it just says rewire your brain, and then once they click this button, they get taken straight to the offer. So now that we know we're gonna be doing affiliate marketing, we found the product that we're gonna be promoting, which is 15-minute manifestation, and we have a funnel for it already. Now it's time to start driving traffic to the offer. So for this, we're gonna be using Facebook. So I'm on Facebook right now, and we're gonna be using Facebook groups. Now Facebook groups, I don't need an audience for, because as you guys know, in the beginning I told you one of the rules is I can't use my existing audience. And Instagram, I already have pages built. Now Facebook, like I said, I don't need an audience. So we about to just type in law of attraction, and we're gonna go inside some spiritual groups. And let's just go to groups real quick. And as you guys can see, I'm already in a bunch of these groups, so I'm about to just click on one of them. So now that I'm inside the group, you can't just post your link outright, right? So you gotta do something different. You gotta like finesse it a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on Google and I'm gonna type yes if you agree, so we can find some photos. If you agree, boom. And let me go over the images, and let's just take one of these images. Yep, we're gonna just snatch this one right here, save it, boom. We're gonna post this inside the group, right? Boom. So I'm gonna just post that inside the group, and I'm gonna add a caption, type yes if you agree, and we're just gonna post that inside the group. Now my method for doing this is, once it start getting some likes and comments on the photo, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna edit the caption, and I'm gonna add the link to my landing page for 15-minute manifestation. And matter of fact, it's already working. I got someone that commented on the photo already, so I'm gonna go ahead and like this real quick. But yeah, I'm gonna do this in about 10 different groups for the next couple days. This has worked for me in the past, and I actually made hundreds of dollars doing this method right here. So hopefully I can make a couple sales doing it so we can get the ball rolling for this challenge, but we're gonna see.
Several days later.
So after 2 to 3 days of posting inside Facebook groups, I made a total of 2 sales for $52.29. So my plan is to take that money and invest it in a Shopify dropshipping store. Now the best thing about it is there's a 14-day free trial for this, and you can actually click the link in the description below if you want to get started with this. So it's no money out of pocket. All I need to do is buy a domain for $14. So that's gonna leave us with about $38 to run ads with, and I feel like I could turn that $38 into at least $100 or maybe $200. So I done my research already, and I'm going with a product called the Mandala Dot and Set. So in order to find this product, I went on a website called Dropship Rabbit. Now I actually have a membership for this site, and if you guys want to sign up for it, I'll leave a link in the description below. But as you can see, they just have all the best selling products for you. And I didn't want to do the first page because I felt like the first page was too competitive. So I went to like the 4th page, and here's the product right here. And they actually give you guys like the suggested selling price, the product cost, the profit margin. They give you guys links to the AliExpress, Facebook ads. They give us a description for the product, basically everything we need to succeed. Targeting for Facebook ads, a ready viral video ad ready. So yeah, this is a site that I use to find winning products. So I'm about to create the store right now, and I'll hit you guys up when I'm done. So the Shopify store is complete, and I'm thinking about giving this store away after I'm done with this challenge. So if you want to be interested in that giveaway, make sure you drop a like on this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. But I'm gonna pull up the store right now so you can see what we're working with. Alright, so I'm on the store right now, and I'm gonna quickly walk you guys through it. So I made a logo for it and everything, and it's called the MandelaEffect.com, and it says here at Mandela Effect, we are one of the world's leading online arts and crafts stores. And if I scroll down, you see the product. Let me actually click on the product real quick so that you guys can see the product page. And as you can see, I'm selling it for $39.99, and the description is A1, man. I had to make the description A1 because I only have $38 to play with. So if I only have $38, the site has to be good, because if not, I'm gonna lose all my money. But as you can see with this site, yeah, man, this site is very, very clean. So that's the site for y'all. It's a 1 product store, like I said, and it's called the MandelaEffect.com. So you know what time it is, man. It's time for me to go find some influencers, pay them to promote the product, and see if I can drive some sales to the site. Now this is either gonna make or break this challenge, because if I don't make any sales, I'm gonna have to go back to square one, do the Facebook groups again to earn some money, and I do not want to do that. It took me 2 days to earn $52, man. I don't want to do that. So hopefully we can make some sales doing these influencers, but we gonna see. Stay tuned.
You ain't got that scrap on you. What up, y'all?
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro.
Alright, so it's currently Monday, June 15th, and I started this challenge last Tuesday. So it's been almost a week since I started this challenge, and it's been a crazy week so far, man. It's been a crazy week. I almost failed this challenge, and if I would have failed this challenge, I would have never seen it. You know, the fact that you're watching it right now means I did something, you know what I'm saying? I did something, but let me tell you guys how I almost failed. So I ended up finding an influencer and I paid them $25 for a 12-hour post on that page, and I ended up getting no sales on my Shopify dropshipping store. So that left me with about $13 left to play with. And with $13, I couldn't do anything with that. You know, what you gonna do with $13, you know? So I had to think of something else. So I went back to ClickBank and started posting in groups and everything like that for the next couple days. Now my results from ClickBank saved this challenge, man. It saved the challenge. Like, I know exactly how to go about making money with ClickBank because I've been doing it for 3 years. So on Friday I made a total of $31.86. Saturday I made $26.31, and then yesterday I made $33.24. So if we add those 3 days to my profit, it brings my profit up to $104.41. So we headed into episode 2 with over $100 to play with. I could work with that. You know, that's something I could really work with, and I got a trick up my sleeve. Remember that site that I bought from Fiverr not too long ago? It was called fixyourposture.com, and you remember how I drove traffic to that site? I got some sales with it, but I wasn't profitable, right? And you remember how I asked you guys, should I continue on with the site? And a bunch of you guys commented that I should in the comments. Well, I ended up shutting down that site, but in episode 2, I'm gonna be bringing it back to life, driving traffic to it, and hopefully we can make some sales with it. Stay tuned.